Eddie on Eddie's Little Bites, and today we're at Home Depot doing another children's workshop, and the title of this one is Easel with Whiteboard, and it comes with the bag.
And you're wearing your apron with all the other ones you've made, right?
Yeah, that's the last one I made. Now we're going to start building the thing. And last time it was a hammer, but a screwdriver.
Yes, do you know what kind of screwdriver that is? It's called a Phillips. Yep, and it's like a star on top. Yeah, fit it through all three of them. You can get it through those two, and then you can get it through the third. There you go. And then you know how a wing nut works?
You have to tighten it up.
Yep. You start screwing it on, and then you finish it all the way. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, so you're going to turn it that way. Okay, so you're going to try to line it up as best you can. That's pretty good, bud. And make sure you push it all the way down. Get all the bubbles out. Okay.
There!
And there's the finished product.
We're back at our house, and this is the dry erase board. It does dry erase. Let me show you.
You got to make sure to use a dry erase marker.
Subscribe and ring that bell, and remember, and comment where you want us to go next, or to play with, or to pick. Bye. Scribble, scribble. Scribble, scribble. Scribble, scribble.